How to install the Epson Dx10 printer head for your Antprint A4 printer. Remind, turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord. Before do any maintain for your printer, we must turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord firstly, otherwise, it will burn out your machine. This is very important. Step 1. Install 2 PCS flat printhead cable on the printer head. 1. Install the up and down side printer head cables on the printer head. The blue side is the insulating side, and the two blue insulating surfaces face inward. 2. The ribbon cable located beneath the printhead must be installed on the upper side of the Step 2. Install the dampers. 1. Insert the dampers according to the XIR color plus MB color. 2. The damper one side resembling a thermometer picture is positioned on the left side. Step 3. Install the cables on the small control board. 1. The cable connected on the printhead port upside should connect on the small board downside. 2. The cable connected on the printhead port downside should connect on the small board upside. 3. If the ribbon cables are relatively long, cable ties may be used to bind the two cables together. Step 4. Install back the printer head cover and printer protection cover. We need to install 9 screws when we are going to remove the printer protection cover. 2 screws on the left side, 2 screws on the right side, 3 screws on the back, 2 screws on the inner left and right side.